Hey, welcome back. This is our fifth part of our ranking functions. In our previous class, we discussed minimum and maximum and also included range. So in this class, I want us to discuss maximum and minimum with a criterion. Let's say we have this data of sales where we have Mombasa, Nairobi. We have Nairobi here. We have Nairobi sales again. We have Nairobi sales and Nairobi sales repeating. So what if we don't want maximum number for the total data, but we just need maximum and minimum for Nairobi? That is where we have minimum and maximum function with criterion or with a criteria. So let's say equals max. We want maximum for only Nairobi city. Okay, if tab this list is equal to Nairobi, okay, value of true, comma, we should have this list. Okay, we close, we control shift enter for array values. So the maximum value for Nairobi city is 55 or 5 here at South Bay. Okay, we are going to discuss how we can get the city and also the street for this data when we are looking up functions. So if we need maximum, this is maximum for Nairobi, max. What if we need minimum for Nairobi? Min for Nairobi is equal to min tab if tab this list is equal to Nairobi, right, comma, we have minimum of this, close, control shift enter, and it is 4577. okay, this is the minimum of Nairobi. What if we have maybe minimum of Nairobi or maximum of Nairobi in a given street? We have Nairobi South B, Nairobi South B, and so on. So if that is when we have maximum with multiple criteria and minimum with multiple criteria. Now we have South B, not just Nairobi. So max with multiple criteria is equal to max, okay, tab if tab this is equal to Nairobi, if this all data is equal to Nairobi, if this whole data the city is equal to Nairobi, right, and then comma, if again tab this here equals South B, comma, you give me the maximum here, you close again, and control shift enter. So the maximum of Nairobi South B is here. What is the minimum of Nairobi South B? Is equal to min tab the number if tab logical test, this is equal to Nairobi, comma, this is equal to Nairobi. Again, you introduce another if, this is equal to South B, the street is equal to South B, comma, we have the cells here, we close and Control Shift Enter. This is the minimum of Nairobi and maximum of Nairobi with South B. But if you have Office 365, you have maximum if and minimum if. But for the other Excel, you are going to use these array formulas. Thank you and enjoy learning. In our next class, we are going to introduce a new topic of logical functions and if statement. Enjoy learning.